Dear friends, let's learn beautiful phrases in English. Let's get started. I miss you. I feel sad without you. You're everything to me. All I do is think of you. I love being around you. I yearn for you. I miss your smile. You bring joy to my life. I hope I see you again. You're my treasure. You're my sunshine. I wish you were here. You crossed my mind. Busy, engaged, occupied, tied up, preoccupied, unavailable, engrossed, employed, on assignment. I'm sorry. I sincerely apologize. I owe you an apology. I'd like to apologize. Excuse me. I want to apologize. My apologies. It was all my fault. I beg your pardon. I hope you can forgive me. I was wrong about that. Sorry about that. Pardon me for being so rude. I understand. Okay. All right. Got it. I get it. Fair enough. I know what you mean. I completely understand. I get the idea. I get the point. That makes sense. I understand what you mean. I understand what you are trying to say. Nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm pleased to meet you. I'm delighted to meet you. I'm thrilled to meet you. I'm happy to meet you. I'm excited to meet you. It's a privilege to meet you. Glad to meet you. Great interacting with you. It's a fun chatting with you. It was lovely meeting you. Dear friends, love this post and save this post as well. Share with as many people as possible. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Visit YouTube channel IELTS TOEFL English Teacher. May God bless all of you. Amen.